boy Zach here. Today we are going to be replacing, let's get down over here so I can show y'all. It is the brake light switch. I'll be replacing both of them. See, I'm already getting that one there. I don't have the 25mm wrench that I need, so I'm using an adjustable. So whenever you do get them out, it will leak a little bit. These are the ones I'm using. I got them off of Amazon. So yeah, it's literally unplug this. I cleaned it up with the QD electric cleaner. Sprayed all up in these. Take those off, put the new ones in, plug them back in. Hopefully you got brake lights. So yeah, let's see. Boom. Got them working. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I got it working. So that was the problem. What if I turn this off? Yeah. So that was the problem. Let's hope that both of them work, because I only seen the one on the driver's side, because that's as far as my head will go. So watch the clip back, and yeah. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.